Take away my gym. Take away my weights. Give me nothing but my body and a place to move. These are the 3 movement patterns I would do every single day to stay capable until I'm 90. As a pro athlete, I did everything right with complex programs, but my body was falling apart. Your body doesn't want complexity. It wants the patterns you were designed to do since you could walk. The first foundational movement is the deep squat. This isn't about training, it's about living. Society trained this out of you. Chairs and couches are the reason we have hip, knee, and back problems.
The squat is a doorway. When you sit in it, your hips open, ankles gain mobility, and your knees strengthen.
It is the foundation for every locomotive pattern. Lunging, running, and sprinting. You must own the ground. The second movement is hanging. This is the undisputed king of upper body work. Research shows grip strength predicts longevity better than cardiovascular fitness or leg strength. Hanging decompresses your spine after a lifetime of gravity and strengthens every muscle from your hands to your lats. It's not magic, it's medicine. Hanging fixed a 2-year shoulder injury that doctors couldn't solve. If you can't even hang for 10 seconds, that tells you exactly where you need to start. The third movement is crawling. This is where everything integrates, and most adults have lost it. Crawling activates cross-lateral patterns in both brain hemispheres, building neural pathways that keep you sharp. It teaches you to trust your hands. It is the absolute foundation for handstands and advanced bodyweight skills. Just 5 to 10 minutes daily of bear, crab, and lizard crawls will challenge everything in your body at once. Squat, hang, crawl. These 3 gateways open every other movement expression your body craves. So here is your wake-up call. Put your phone down right now and try to sit in a deep squat for 30 seconds. Come back and comment how long you actually lasted. Subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to master them.